In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change pieces on chess.com, step by step. If you're bored of the default look or just want a fresh style that fits your vibe, this is one of the easiest ways to customize your chess experience. And the best part is, it only takes a minute to do. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple chess tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open up chess.com in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look down at the bottom left corner. You'll see a small gear icon. That's your settings. Go ahead and click on that. When the settings menu opens, you'll see a few options, but what you want to do is click on all settings to access the full customization panel. This is where chess.com lets you control everything from your board style to sounds and animations. Now inside the settings page, look for the section labeled board and pieces. Click on that to open it up. This is where all the visual customization happens. You'll notice different tabs here, but the one we're focusing on is the Pieces tab. Go ahead and click on Pieces. Once you're in the Pieces section, you'll see a variety of different piece styles available. Some are classic, some are modern, and some are more creative or themed. Take your time to scroll through and preview them. As you click on each style, you'll usually see a preview so you can decide which one you like best. When you found the style you want to use, simply select it and then click the Save button to apply your changes. And just like that, your chess pieces will instantly update across your games. It's that simple. If you ever want to switch things up again, you can come back to this same section and choose a different style anytime. Customizing your board and pieces can actually make playing more enjoyable and even help with visibility, depending on your preference. So don't be afraid to experiment with different looks until you find one that feels just right. And that's it. You now know how to change pieces on chess.com in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.